Hello. Hello. Inheritance. Inheritance is the mechanism by which the one class acquires the properties of another class. So here, inheritance is defined as the mechanism by which one object acquires the properties of the another class. Then here, arrange the concept into an inheritance hierarchy. Concept at the higher levels are more general. Then concept at low levels are more specific. That is, inherits the properties of the concept, properties of concept, concept at higher levels. So here vehicle class is there. Under the vehicle class, wheeled vehicle and boat vehicle it is given. So wheeled vehicle it is having car and bicycle. Under the car menu again it is two door and four door car are also available. So basically C++ and inheritance. The language mechanism by which one class acquires the properties of another class are called as the inheritance. The class which acquires the properties are data and operations, then base class or super class, the class being inherited from, then derived class or subclass, the class that inherits. So C++ and inheritance. The language mechanism by which one class acquires the properties, that is data operations of another class, then base class or super class are called as a class being inherited from, then derived class it is also a subclass, the class that inherits. Advantages of inheritance. So when a class inherits from another class, there are the three benefits. You can reuse the methods and data of an existing class. Then you can extend the existing class by adding new data and new methods. You can modify the existing class by overloading its methods with your own implementation. Advantages of inheritance. When a class inherits from another class, there are the three benefits. So basic very first benefit it is that you can reuse the methods and the data of a existing class. So you can extend the existing class by adding the new data and new methods. You can modify the existing class by overloading its methods with your own implementations. Then advantages of inheritance. We have seen the advantages. What are the benefits or advantages of the inheritance? That are reuse, extend and modify. These are the basic advantages of that particular class. Deriving one class from another class. See here, private data, queue front, then queue rear. This is comes under private data. Then is empty, is full, then queue type, then then equal to, then dq, eq, dq. These are the what private data lengths. Okay. And again, so from is full and is empty, the next cycle has been formed, that is length is, then is empty, then is full, then countered q, then nq, then dq. All these are what deriving one class from another class. Derive one class from the another class. So define a new class continued from queue type such that it has a new data members, that is length, that describes the number of the items in the queue. So template, then class item type, then class counted queue, then public queue type, then item type it is given, then public counted queue, void enq, item type new item, void. Hello. हो आले.